What is research design? Have you been wondering what is research design or what are some research design examples? So don't worry, we will be learning about this now. So a research design is the plan or a framework used to conduct a research study. It involves outlining the overall approach and methods that will be used to collect and analyze data in order to answer research question or test hypothesis that you have created. Or research design is the framework of research methods and techniques. So the design that is chosen by the researcher allows them to utilize the methods that are suitable for the study and to set up the study successfully in the future as well. So this particular helps you or allows the researcher to sharpen the research methods suitable for the subject matter that they have selected and set up the studies for the success. So this design of the research can be either qualitative or quantitative or even mixed. So under this research design, researchers can choose between different types of methods. There are also subtypes of research methods, which we will be studying deeply ahead. So research design also includes elements of data collection, measurement of data with the respective tools, and the analysis of the data. As a rule of thumb, the research problem of a company chooses to work on is the determining factor of the research design chosen by the researcher instead of the other way around. So the market research studies design phase is this time when the researchers determine the tools to be used in the study and the way they are used. Good research usually ensures minimum level of bias in the data collection method to improve both internal and external validity of the research. That we have already studied while studying ethical consideration during research. So desired outcome of experimental research is to have a design that will result in the least amount of error in the study. So a well-designed research should have a clear and well-defined research questions, a detailed plan of collecting data, a method of analyzing, interpreting, and a well thought out research design. All these addresses to a quality research output. So the research problem an organization faces will determine the design, not vice versa. The design phase of a study determines which tools to use and how they are used. So there are the three main types which will help you to understand these deeper.